Setting up and running C# in Visual Studio Code, VS Code, involves installing necessary extensions and configuring your environment. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners. One, install .NET Core SDK. Before you can run C# code, you need to have the .NET Core SDK installed on your system. .NET Core is a free cross-platform development platform for building various types of applications. You can download and install the .NET Core SDK from the official .NET website, download.net, http://dotnet.microsoft.com/download. 2. Verify .NET Core installation. After installing the .NET Core SDK, open a terminal or command prompt and type .NET version to ensure that .NET Core is installed correctly. You should see information about the installed .NET Core version. 3. Install Visual Studio Code. If you haven't already, download and install Visual Studio Code from the official website, Visual Studio Code, visualstudio.com/. 4. Install C# extension for Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code and navigate to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the sidebar or pressing Ctrl-Shift-X. Search for C# and install the official C# extension provided by Microsoft. This extension provides support for C# syntax highlighting, IntelliSense, debugging, and more. 5. Create a C# project. Create a new folder for your C# project on your local machine. Open VS Code and open the folder you just created by selecting File, Open Folder from the menu. 6. Initialize a new C# project. Open the integrated terminal in VS Code by selecting Terminal, New Terminal from the menu. Use the cd command to navigate to your project directory. Run the command .NET New Console Project, replacing My Project with the desired name of your project. This command initializes a new C# console application project. Seven. Open project in Visual Studio Code. After initializing the project, open it in VS Code by selecting File, Open Folder, and choosing the project folder. 8. Write C# code. Inside your project folder, you'll find a program.cs file. Open this file in VS Code. Write your C# code in the program.cs file. For example, C# using system, class program, static void main string args, console writeline hello world. 9. Run C# code. To run your C# code, open the integrated terminal in VS Code if it's not already open. Use the .NET Run command in the terminal to compile and run your C# program. For example, .NET Run. View output. After running the C# program, you should see the output in the terminal. In this example, it would be, "Hello world?" That's it. You've successfully set up and run C# in Visual Studio Code. You can continue developing your C# projects in VS Code using its various features and extensions. If you encounter any issues or have any questions, feel free to ask. Subscribe to Fix Me Master for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!